Hello Python programming students, Mr. Mace again. I'm excited to present this portion of our course where we're going to go through the Mission Python Code of Space Adventure game written by Sean McManus and published by No Starch Press. During this part of our course, we're going to go through and create our own space adventure game and follow the directions in this book. So I will create a series of videos to kind of help us and guide us along that process. This first video is going to cover the introduction section, and we'll kind of show you how to do some of the stuff there, primarily installing the software that you need to create the game, as well as downloading the game files and unzipping the files on your device. And then it will finish up by talking about running the game as well. Okay, so here we go. Let's get started. So as you can see, here's the cover. I'm going to go ahead and just page down a little bit, and we'll talk about some different parts of the book, the introduction section. So you see here's a brief contents, table of contents. As you see, there's 12 chapters, and I've divided the content up into weekly assignments on our Canvas page. So make sure you check that out and see what you're expected to do each week. This week we're focusing on the introduction through chapters 1, 2, and 3. So it's about 3 chapters a week. More detailed table of contents, of course. And here's the introduction section. So you see the comment that I shared also on our Canvas page. So just make sure you read that. That kind of sets up our adventure and kind of lets you know what we're getting ready to do, how to use this book section, what's in the book, installing the software. Now, most of you should have already Python installed on your computers. The piece that you do not have probably is Pygame 0. So you want to make sure you definitely follow the instructions for installing Pygame 0. If you have any trouble installing Pygame 0 on your computer, please let me know. I do have some workarounds, especially if you have a CMS machine, whether it be a laptop or a Chromebook. And if it's a Chromebook, we might have some issues. But anyway, we'll try to get it to work, especially on your home computer. It should work fine. Then you get to this downloading the game files. So downloading and unzipping the files on a Raspberry Pi, if you have one of those, and then unzipping the files on a Windows PC. So notice the website is nostarch.com/missionpython. Once you go there, you want to click the download the files link, save the file on your desktop or in your documents folder or somewhere that you can easily find it. And then you want to go and extract the files. So I'm going to go ahead and jump over to my browser and do that process because I need to do that as well. So as you can tell, I've already put in the website, so this is what it should look like. Make sure you spell starch correctly. When I was practicing this, I was putting an extra T after the R, so spell starch correctly, S-T-A-R-C-H. So when you get here, you're going to download the full code, images, and sound effects for the game here. And then it's going to say, hey, where do you want to put that? So what I would recommend you do is on your OneDrive, in your Python 1 folder, create a new folder called Mission Python. And then go inside that folder and save your zip file there. Of course, you can put it anywhere on your computer you wish, as long as you are able to find it quickly. Now, once that's been downloaded, we need to unzip it or extract the files. So again, I'm going to go back to my OneDrive, my Python 1, inside my Mission Python, and on Windows, all I have to do is right-click on the zip file. And I have 7-zip installed. You may already have that installed as well. I think it comes now with Windows later versions. But I'm just going to extract here. If you have trouble with this part, just let me know in Remind or send me an email and I'll help you. Okay, so now we have everything that we need. Images, listings, sounds, escape, the Python file itself, and then the README. So the README is just some information about what is in here. Okay. All right, so let's go back to our book. And so we've unzipped that, and then the next page just gives you a little bit about that. Now, once you've unzipped that, it's going to say, hey, so you should have these folders: images, listings, sounds, and the escape Python file. So we're going to run the program. So we're going to run it in Windows. So go to our escape folder, hold down the Windows Start key, press E, or open the Windows Explorer. This uses the command line. Now on my particular computer, I do not have command line installed, so I have to kind of cheat and use something else. So of course you do have idle, so you can run this in idle. It is using Python Game 0 to run it, so I'm going to try that in my Windows shell. I do have the Windows PowerShell installed, so I'm going to try that here. Let me clear the screen just to make it a little easier to see. So I'm going to type that command that I see down there in number 4. So pgz run space escape.py. Now this will not work here because I'm not in the correct folder. So I need to navigate to that folder, and so the easy way to do that in Windows is I'm just going to copy and paste. I'm going to bring that folder back up. I'm going to copy this. So I just highlighted it, copied it, and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to change that directory to there. Let's see. What is that saying? Oh, I need to have that all in quotes because it has spaces and so forth in it. Alright, so now once I'm in that directory, now I should be able to run pgz run escape.py. And there's a game. And so you can kind of go through the game and see how it's made. Okay, so we got to find, so I navigate with my left and right buttons. And alright, so I lost. Anyway, so that is how you would run the game and go from there. So that is basically the introduction. Let's jump back over to our book, and it kind of walks you through that. And so our next video will cover chapter 1, and I hope this helps you get set up for our adventure in Mission Python, building our first coding our first space adventure game. All right, see you later.